All
Yeah.
right. On my show today, I have Ayushi, and Ayushi is a ESL and a communication coach.
Mhm.
And I love the way she has been doing her Instagram these days. She just crossed 100K followers, and she's doing exceptionally well. And when she sent me a message, she sent me a gratitude note on Instagram about how her journey has been. It bowled my mind, and I thought I would immediately take a screenshot and talk about it on Instagram. So, welcome to my show, Ayushi.
Thank you so much.
I'm
Thank
very
you.
proud. I'm very proud of your journey. You're doing exceptionally well.
Yeah, thank you so much. All thanks to you.
My pleasure. So I'm
Yeah.
going to ask you a few questions, which is going to
Oh,
help the entire community of Instagrammers who's been learning from me, because your personal success story is going to help them a lot. So the first question is, how has your life changed after growing your visibility on Instagram?
Oh, so life has changed 360 degrees since the growth. My life has transformed really. I was around, on 7,000 followers when I started your before taking your course, and today we are about to hit 100,000 followers. It's huge. So yeah, life has transformed. Yeah, of course.
Amazing. So how did the course help you actually? So there's a lot of different things inside the course, and how did you go about it?
There are definitely a lot of things to look forward to in the course. And to be very honest with you right now, the foremost thing is the motivation that you give to be consistent. Okay, that's one thing. So I literally like churned up that thing that I have to be consistent. That's the only way. And giving the right strategy, that was amazing. Apart from the right strategy, using, you are one person who know the Instagram and algorithm, I believe,
Right.
right? So it really helped me, the strategies, using the correct hashtags, using the correct the trending audio. So I think yeah, that
Amazing.
really helped me. Yes.
Amazing. So, what are your top three things that you do for your Instagram profile?
Recently I have started engaging with my followers. That's one thing. So engaging with my followers, posting consistently. You won't believe I'm posting 30 days a month.
Wow.
Okay.
So you,
So
you definitely took the 30 days challenge seriously.
yes, I definitely took that 30 days challenge, and it's really helpful because I believe you're posting 30 days a month. One of the reel is about to go viral and will
Absolutely.
definitely go viral. So
Absolutely.
that happens. I didn't believe that, but it does happen. So yeah, engaging with with my audience is one. Second would be posting regularly. Third would be using the the viral hashtags and the audio. That's really good.
Fantastic. I think those are very simple tips, but very important
Yeah.
tips. When you be consistent with your reels, you increase your probability of going viral, because it's like you're taking a lot more tickets for the lucky draw, and one of your reels may just go make you lucky. So that's what happened in your case, and I'm so happy
Yes.
about your success.
Thank you.
So I have always seen that a lot of my students have crossed 100K or 200K or 500K. They always say that there was this particular reel that went viral and that got them the maximum visibility and the number of followers. So which was that reel of yours?
So for me, I have recently started this series called Learning 50 Rules of English Grammar with me. And one of the lucky rule number 15 got viral, in which I'm just giving some very basic tips on one of the grammar rules. And a couple of my reels went viral. Apart from this, a reel in which I'm actually telling what different doctors are called in English,
Right.
right? So that went viral with over 2.4 million views now and over
Wow.
65,000 shares.
Wow.
That's
That's amazing, right?
amazing. I know, right?
The golden nugget that she just shared here is, it was something very basic. The entire world is looking forward to see something which is very basic, something very generic. Instead of going too heavy on your content, you have to sometimes be lighter, because lighter content just flies, right? So that's what happened in your case, and I'm so
And more
happy.
than lighter content, I believe sort of relatable content. People could relate to those reels. I
Right.
mean, and so many doctors joined me, followed me after I posted this reel, and some of them even think that I'm a doctor. So I'm clarifying this to so many followers. I'm not a doctor. I just posted that reel.
I think that's a new stream that you can start on Instagram. Okay.
Yeah.
I think the skin doctors go really viral, so maybe you can I'm just kidding. Okay.
I know, right?
So why do you think you said one of the reasons it went viral because it was very relatable? Other thing I decoded was it was very simple for everyone to understand. What else do you think could be the reason why it has gone viral?
See, effective use of trends. That's
Right.
what I believe. That's
Amazing.
one thing I cannot focus on this enough. The effective use of trends. And when I say trends, it includes everything.
Right.
Okay. And that people are only going to learn from your course. I can't. I'm not the best person to tell.
Perfect. Thank you so much. What are your top three advice if you are going to give this advice to a newbie who's just going to start? What
Yeah.
are some of the factors that you would recommend them to follow when they get started? Three top advices from you.
Three top advices for newbies out there who are looking to bloom on Instagram would be prioritize relatable content.
Wow.
Prioritize engaging with your audience. That's really important. And please be consistent. That's one thing is very, very important
Amazing.
to, to bloom. Yeah.
Amazing. So any question that you would like to ask me in this call today?
I actually wrote one question for you. So, how do you stay updated with the ever-changing Instagram algorithms and trends? Sort of. I really want to know.
Good question. So, first of all, I have subscribed to many newsletters that talks about Instagram's new changes. So I have this Google alert on, and I get to know. I'm on a subscription of Mark Zuckerberg, Adam Mosseri, the guy who works closely with Mark. So I've subscribed to their broadcast, and
Okay.
whatever is new, they keep posting there. There's also a page on Instagram called Creators, where everything new or whatever is trending or whatever is going to happen, they keep updating there. So these are three factors. And of course, fourth is my team is there. They keep observing new stuff there, the new tool, the new feature. Sometimes they don't even talk about it. It's just there. It's like, oh, wow, there's something new. And that comes like, for example, now if you go and check the insights, earlier it would just show you the number of saves, shares, likes, comments. Now it also shows you what kind of achievement. It shows you some winner symbol, and like, what the hell is that? Then I realized that's just the winner symbol, which trying to show what your achievements are with respect to this reel. So I think the discovery happens when you keep exploring, and you just need to go talk about it instead of just thinking that is it the right thing or not the right thing. I just go talk about it, so it just goes out there in public, basically.
Right. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ayushi, for sharing your insights. It's going to inspire a lot of men and women out there who are actually part of the community, learning like you and want to become like you in this journey. And keep doing the great work because
Thank you
I'm,
so much for having me.
you just remind me of one of my students, image coach Shivani. She crossed 500K followers recently. She was exactly like you, all in full committed, staying consistent. She would say that there would be like when there would be days when she have to go for weddings where she have to take 10 days break, but she would ensure that she creates content well in advance for 15 or 20 days.
I wanted to actually say that I never knew before your course that we can actually schedule content. And
Right.
right now, while I'm talking to you, one of my videos might have went live because I've scheduled 1 week of content in advance. That's one more thing I want to tell to people out there. Really, that's amazing, strategy to follow.
Amazing. Thank you,
Yeah.
Ayushi, for
Thank you so much for
spending
having me. Yeah. Thank you so much. Looking forward to more courses from you, by the way. Yes.
it.